top 5 online qualifications that can change your career path. What if you could earn qualifications that are both globally recognized and flexible enough to fit seamlessly into your busy life? Exciting, right? With off-call regulated online courses from Inspire London College, you can gain credentials that open doors to exciting career opportunities. These qualifications are trusted worldwide, making them the perfect way to enhance your skills or even change your career direction. Now, let's explore the top 5 qualifications that can transform your career. First, let's talk about business management. Have you ever dreamed of leading a team or running your own business? This qualification is your chance to make it happen. It gives you practical skills like leadership, planning, and managing organizations effectively. Whether you want to launch a business or progress to a higher role at work, business management can help you achieve your goals. Another valuable qualification that you can gain is health and social care. This qualification is more than just a career move, it's about making a real difference. If you're passionate about helping people and improving lives, this is the perfect path for you. With opportunities in hospitals, community services, and care facilities, you'll gain the expertise needed to build a fulfilling and stable career in a field that's always in demand. Let's not forget about project management. In today's fast-paced world, the ability to manage projects effectively is a skill that every organization values. This qualification equips you with essential skills like risk management, budgeting, and team coordination, enabling you to deliver successful outcomes. Whether you're in construction, IT, or event planning, project management opens up diverse career paths and gives you a competitive edge. Another great option is accounting and finance. If you enjoy working with numbers and solving problems, this field could be your ideal match. From corporate finance to personal financial advising, this qualification equips you with the competencies to succeed in roles that are both secure and rewarding. Last but not least, a valuable qualification that you can learn is information technology. As technology becomes a bigger part of our daily lives, IT skills are more important than ever. This qualification offers you the chance to dive into areas like programming, managing systems, and working with the latest technology. IT is a fast-growing field with countless opportunities for those who want to stay ahead in the digital world. At Inspire London College, these qualifications are designed with your success in mind. They're flexible, accessible, and globally trusted. Whether you're looking to grow in your current role or take a completely new direction, these qualifications can open the doors to exciting job opportunities and help you achieve your career aspirations. Start your qualification journey today and take that important first step toward building the career you've always dreamed of.